Hello everyone, welcome to another 1-minute Lightroom session with Mark Evans. Let's begin.
Not many people know this, but you can actually play around with black and white using temperature and tint. So let me show you how. This is a color picture that I took a little while ago. I'm going to go to black and white, make it a standard black and white, very easy. But as you can see, if I alter the temperature, I can get various shades, various adjustments of contrast. And if I go to tint, for example, maybe I want this to be a darker image. Maybe I want it to be a brighter image, like a high key image like this. So this is simply temperature and tint within the black and white. So let's take a look here. This is what I came up with underneath the black and white. This is the temp and tint adjustment, and here is the black and white version. So as you can see, there's some really cool ways to alter your black and white using temperature and tint.